Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all possible checking options on the IMEI info page using the IMEI number of your REALME C63. Okay, so first we need to find out what our IMEI number is. So we have two methods how we can do it. First method is by opening the phone app, and now we need to type this specific code. So type asterisk #06 hashtag, and now we have our IMEI numbers. In here we can take a look at them. We also have the serial number, and that's the first method. And the second method is through the settings. Simply open them up. Now scroll down, click on About Phone, scroll down again, click on the status, and in here again we have our two IMEI numbers. Okay, so now we need to get into our IMEI info page, and now I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so now we are on the page, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device, just like that, and now we can click on Check IMEI. Now we have our C63. We can scroll down. In here above we can perform the blacklist premium check, and also by phone, and like this. When we click on that, below we have the basic information about our device, such as when it was released, the operating system, the chipset, SIM card site, GPU type, and does it have the LTE and the 5G, the battery, and does it have the built-in NFC, the display, and the built-in GPS. We can click on Expand Info to see more information, and if you are interested in full device specifications, simply click right in here or right in here. And if you click on the parameters, in here you have a whole and a long list of your device and information about it. And as we scroll down, in here also we have the basic checks and the advanced checks. When it comes to the basic checks, they are completely for free, but when it comes to the advanced ones, we have the blacklist premium check, and as you take a look, it costs $5 to make an order, and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. When it comes to the basic checks, in here we have a whole list. We can check the REALME country and registration date, perform the blacklist simple check, check the eSIM compatibility, generate random IMEI, check the MAC address, generate random MAC address, report this device into the lost database, and we can check is our device in the lost database. And below we can share this page using this QR code. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.